Hello everybody. I stopped over here at Bonneville Raceway, Saltlands over here in Utah. And me and Steve Farmer was headed back home, and we seen Saltway kind of wet. Usually it's all white and pretty, but it's looked like this really wet sand. But I got out there, there was a Tesla out there playing, riding around in the water. So I was like, well, I'm gonna try it. My truck's kind of heavy. I figured I was gonna sink, but it didn't. I let it rode on top, rode pretty good. And I was wanting to show you what the truck looked like. I was wanting to show you a little bit of a dash cam I got on it. And I was wanting to show you some of these mountains here around. And look at my truck. She will definitely have to have a bath just as soon as I can find somewhere to get her a bath. It's got salt all over it. But it was fun to get out there and play in the water. Yeah. Don't play too much in my work truck, but I figured she had to get out there. She's been doing a good job, so she had to get out there and play. Just one good time. But I can't get over the view. If you're ever driving through, the view over here is great. There's people with campers over there. They just pull out and salt, camp out, have races, all kind of fun stuff out here. Now this right here is coming off of the road whenever you're leaving the speedway. Look at the mountains. And there's the road right there that goes to it. Steve Farmer was speeding on that road. So, but I got video footage of that too. And look at my truck.
All right, so we're here at the salt flats. There's Mr. Tennessee out there playing around in the water on the salt flats, and took us a minute to get our nerve up, but I don't know if you guys can see way out there. That is a Tesla. They had it parked up here doing pictures with it and stuff, and it looked really good, like right out there on, like, well, that's my mirror, right out there where them folks are. But yeah, he's braver than me. That, yeah, two-wheel drive and heavy as it is, but I'll be honest with you, I figured as heavy as that Dodge is, I figured it would have sunk like a rock, but apparently it's not as bad as we thought. It just kills me, the Tesla over there. They just cruising around. I'd be darned if I would have an electric car and all that water. He was playing like Mr. Tennessee is over there a while ago. Shoot, he was throwing rooster tails off of an electric car. Was you having a good time though?
Oh yeah, I was having a good time. Heck, it felt pretty good out there. It felt different. Now I just gotta have a bath now.
No doubt.
enjoyed that little video, and y'all be safe out there, and I will see y'all in the next one.